Hi, my name is Brandon Laurentior, and today we are going to be doing celery and carrot batons with homemade hummus. Now, if you don't have hummus, just go out to the store, actually buy the hummus as well. Right, so we're going to be using a stick blender. If you don't have a stick blender, you could use a food processor, or if you don't have a food processor, you can do it by hand, but it's just going to take you 10 days to actually make the bloody thing. Now, we've got oil, garlic, chickpeas, pepper, salt, paprika, cumin powder, sesame seeds, and lemon juice. Now, we're going to be just simply crushing the garlic because we've got garlic cloves. If you don't have garlic cloves, maybe use garlic powder or even just use garlic paste. But if you're going to use garlic paste, maybe just use a little amount because it's actually quite powerful as well. Right, simply just go boom, boom. So that way you can just easily just peel it off like that. Now you don't need to chop anything because since we're going to be using a stick blender, it's just going to chop it like that. So chuck all of that in there. Now, we're going to be using a whole can of chickpeas just to make the hummus as well. So let me just pour it in here. Now, we're going to add cumin powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice, cayenne, and sesame seeds. Now, with the oil, just simply add it till you get a nice smooth consistency. That's what it's going to look like once you get it all mixed. Just simply chuck it all in there. Now we're going to give it a quick little blitz and simply giving it a little bit of oil. Now, if you have a look over here, that is the consistency you're looking for. Just nice, smooth, creamy. Now, next we're going to be doing the batons. It's basically just celery sticks and carrot sticks. That's about it. Now, if you've got any more carrots left over, just simply add it to the barbecue and chicken quesadilla to give it more color. So you could just simply grate it like that. It'll be done. Right, now, let me just simply Right, those are the carrots done. Now, going to be moving on to the celery as well. Probably won't be using all of it. Going to be using one. Right, that's all of the carrots and the celery done. Now I'm going to be using probably some of the carrots and some of the celery just to give it a bit of color. So let me just add the hummus into the actual ramekin itself. Say about nearly a tablespoon, so I would probably go for half a tablespoon. Now, let me just simply And that is the carrots and celery sticks with homemade hummus.